Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AKAAWOL, and today I wanted to do a video about bobbins. I kind of was talking to somebody about this, and I realized that I thought I had a video about them, and then I went to go look up the video to share, and I couldn't find it anywhere. It might have ended up happening in a live stream or something else. First off, there are these silicone bobbins, and these things are amazing, but kind of difficult to find. My wife says you can find them on Amazon.com, but I tried looking for it just now and I can't find them. But they are pretty awesome because as you slide strings out, the silicone holds it in place and keeps it, right there. So if you're like trying to make like a really long kumi, or maybe you're the kind of person that like has string on bobbins when you're making a bracelet, these are really awesome for that. Or just setting aside, like this is string for a bracelet that I'm going to make. They're really, really good, but they're a lot more expensive than these kind of bobbins. So these are really super common, and winding it around the bobbin, then putting it through the little piece like this seems smart, but you can see like, whoop, just falls right out. And if you're trying to make a really long kumi or something, that's not going to work. The string will just hit the floor and you'll kind of ruin it. So what you do is, if you want your string on a bobbin and you want to, again, like for a kumi or for whatever else, take the end of it and put it through the hole. Now it'll stay dangling and it won't go anywhere, and you can do your work. When it starts to get short, just kind of slip it out a little bit and let it come around the bottom. See how I'm doing that? Come around the bottom, maybe a couple times, and now the string is let loose and it'll stop again. It's a real super practical way of using these, and being able to make whatever it is. Again, I've seen people trying to do really long bracelets, and they'll have the string wound onto cardboard or wound onto something. This works out really, really well. These things are really, really cheap. You can get them from like Amazon or AliExpress or wherever. They're really pretty inexpensive. You can buy them by the hundreds, if not by the thousand. I know I probably have over 1,000 of them. And I use a lot, so whatever. It works out really good that way. It's just a little tip, might help make your day a little bit easier. Again, trying to get it to stay in the ends like this is only good for like if you're putting the string away into a box, for later, you're trying to store them. But if you're going to make anything, seriously, putting it through the loop, all the difference in the world. Hopefully that's helpful. Again, I thought I had already shared this once before, but yeah, I don't know. So here it is now. So better late than never. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.